Looking at the first questions for Thursday the 15th, we might go back quickly first and have a look at the theory from the last lesson on percentages and fractions. Now what we had here, to convert a percentage to a fraction, then we change the percent sign to a denominator of 100 to give a fraction with a denominator of 100, and then we simplify the fraction if required. Put it in your calculator. So let's go and do those ones, converting a percentage into a fraction. So we want to convert these. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the percent sign into a denominator of 100. So for that first one, we're going to do the first step. We're going to change it from 39% to 39 100. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put that into your calculator as a fraction, push the equal sign as you would have seen before and see if it changes. This one here won't change because there is no common factor between them. So our answer is going to be 39 on 100. If I look through and just pick a different one, and I want you to do all 8, if we look at C, which is 20%, so we would first change that to 20 on 100, and then if I get my calculator and do it to make sure it works at the same time, I'm going to put 20% in, 20, AB 100, push equals, and it's come up as 1 on 5. So what you need to do is to go through all of these, do all of them. Note that these ones, E, G, H, which are over 100, are going to give us these mixed numerals. So if I just do an example, a different number, so I'm going to do an example of 540%. I would first change that to 540 on 100, and then that will give me 5.4. I'm just going to check that in my calculator as well. 540 fraction over 100 gives me 5 2/5, and it has asked me to give them as a fraction in its simplest form, so that's what I should have done. So it's going to be 5 2 on 5 is my answer. Your calculator will do that for you. Okay, that's the first lot. Let's have a look at the second lot, question 8. Convert the following fractions to percentages. If we quickly once again have a look at our theory, to convert a fraction to a percentage, multiply it by 100%, put it into your calculator. So we're going to come back here, we're simply going to multiply these things by 100. So we're going to end up with A, multiply it, we've got 200 on 5. Well, really what we've got is, let me go back and not do it that way. We can do it that way. What I want you to do is just put in your calculator though. So I just want you to put the fraction 2 on 5 into your calculator and then multiply by 100. If I do that, I get 2 over 5 times 100. If I push equal, it comes up with 40. So that is what I want you to do for all of these questions. Write them down as your fraction. Just put times 100. Make sure you put the percent sign in there afterwards. Don't put the percent sign into your calculator. Just write it down. Okay, so there are 8 of those questions for you to do as well. You should be able to work your way through those without any problem.